Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Hey, this is an episode of Mike's Tries. Here's the thing I'm going to try today. It's called Builders. It's a protein bar that's soy-based. Look at it. It's got 20. Where is it? 20 grams of protein. And 20 grams of protein is pretty amazing. What else does this thing have? And this flavor is called vanilla almond. So let's see if it tastes good. Now this thing also has, so it's got, here's the nutritional information. It's got 290 calories. I don't know if you can see that. There it goes. 290 calories. It's got, guess what? I got to put my glasses on, so you'll see Mike with his glasses. It's got 290 calories. It's got 2 grams of fiber. It's got 29 grams of carbs. So if you're watching carbs, be careful with that. But it's got 20 grams of protein, and it's going to get you through the day. It's got some phosphorus, some iron, some calcium, some good amount of potassium, some vitamin E. I'm going to try this. I'm on a I'd say 95% plant-based diet, so trying to make sure you get enough protein in your diet daily, especially when you're going plant-based. I eat a lot of beans, I eat a lot of nuts, I eat a lot of protein supplements to make sure you get enough protein, because I'm not eating a lot of animal protein. This is, like I said, it's soy-based, and soy is good. Also, when this is, they don't want you to be able to read this. You know, it's got some sugars in it. It's got soy flour, it's got rice flour, it's got almond butter, it's got chicory fiber syrup, I don't know what that is. It's got sunflower oil, it's got, so basically rice, soy, and a bunch of other little things to put it together. So, who cares about that? Let's see what it tastes like. Builders. Mike Tries. Let me try it. Stop talking about it, Mike. Oh, so that's what it looks like. It smells really good. You can smell that vanilla, that almond. Let's take a bite. You can see what's inside it. It's not super flavorful, but the good news is it's not disgusting. It's a little dry. Actually tastes decent, but all I know is if I can choke it down, and I can, I'm getting 20 grams of plant-based protein, which, like I said, will get you through the day. Eat it as a snack. Eat it throughout the day to supplement your protein. Actually, it tastes pretty good. Eat it as a dessert if you're stupid like me. Builders. It's made from Cliff, who does Cliff Bars. I give this a thumbs up. It's an 8 over 9. Good source of protein. I recommend it. And I'm not getting paid for this, by the way, so try it. Cut down on your meats. Eat more plant-based foods. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my social medias. Tell people about it. Subscribe. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I'm still chewing. Nice outtake chewing. There it is. Is it upside down? It is. There you go. I'm talking about. I could end it with a baba. I'm just saying. These are things that you need to know. See, I'll try it. See? Hi. Baba.